Good evening, dear students. Now, moving ahead in dimensional analysis, okay, we will be doing one application of dimensional analysis, that is checking correctness of formula. Checking correctness. Which type of correctness? Dimensional correctness. Okay. Checking dimensional correctness of formula. We will be working with this. Okay. Now, to understand this particular thing, we need to understand only one thing. Okay. Principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity. Principle of homogeneity क्या कह रहा था? Principle of homogeneity has said कि mangoes equal to mangoes. Mangoes added with something, that something will be mango. Velocity is equal to velocity. Velocity subtracted from something, that something should be velocity. Something like that. Okay. The principle of homogeneity has said. In simple words, if I say, okay, then principle of homogeneity says that okay, in a relation, in a physical formula, in a formula, okay, in a formula, dimensional formula, in a formula, ये which formula? In a physical formula. Physical formula जो हम in general formulas use करते हैं. Okay. In a formula, dimensional formula for okay, left hand side should be equal to dimensional formula, okay, for right hand side. Okay. Now what I want to say, जो बात मैंने अभी तक बोली उसका मतलब क्या है वो देखते हैं. पहले हमें टास्क दिया गया एनर्जी इज इक्वल टू mgh और कहा जाता है चेक वेदर दिस फॉर्मूला is dimensionally correct or not. Correct or not. Okay, let's check it. Now, two sides we have, left hand side, right hand side. This left hand side is energy E. Okay, energy. M is mass, G is acceleration due to gravity, H is height. Now, left hand side we are taking. Now, left hand side is E, energy. Now dimensional formula for energy is energy is equal to work done is equal to force into displacement. Force is mLT minus 2, displacement is L. So energy, dimensional formula for energy is mL square T minus 2. Okay. Now right hand side. Now right hand side is mgh. Now placing dimensional formula for all the quantities. M is mass. Mass के लिए हमने m रख दिया. G, acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration due to gravity is acceleration basically LT minus 2. LT minus 2. H, height. Height will be measured in the form of length. Okay, L. Is it okay? Now, M, L square, T minus 2. Okay, this is dimensional formula for left hand side, and right hand side is reduced to this formula. Okay, so now compare dimensional formula for both the sides. Now, left hand side dimensional formula is ml square T minus 2, and right hand side dimensional formula is ml square t minus 2. Both sides are giving same dimensional formula, है ना? तो यहां पे लिखोगे because dimensional for left hand side is equal to right hand side. Therefore, that given formula should be dimensionally correct. Okay, just हमें करना क्या है, whatever formula is given to us, okay, in that formula we have to just compare the dimensional formula for left hand side and right side. If both sides, okay, are having same dimensions, same dimensional formula, then the physical formula given will be correct. Okay, hope you have understood. Let's take one more example. Fs, force into displacement, is equal to half mv square. Okay, check whether this formula is correct or not. We have to check this. Okay, now solution for this will be considering left hand side. तो left hand side consider किया. Left hand side is force into displacement. Force is mlt minus 2. Displacement is L. So we are getting ml square t minus 2. Now right hand side. Right hand side is half mv square. Half mv square. Now this half will not be represented in the form of dimensional formula, है ना? We can't represent half, okay, as dimensional formula. Okay, तो half का तो representation कहीं आ ही नहीं सकता इसके अंदर. Okay, and so many other constants also. Okay, mass के लिए आएगा m, velocity L t minus 1 whole square. We are getting m, that is L square, and t minus 2. We are getting m L square t minus 2. You see, now compare. Left hand side has this formula, right hand side has this formula. Okay, ठीक. तो क्या बना यहाँ पे? The formula is dimensionally correct. Why? Because dimensional formula for left hand side and dimensional formula for right hand side both are equal. Okay, ठीक है? Because dimensional formula, okay, for left hand side and right hand side is same. Therefore, given formula should be dimensionally correct. Hope this is clear. Okay, one more situation. Fine. Now this is a formula given to us. Now we have to check whether this formula is correct or not. Okay, the same way we will be proceeding. First, let's check the variables. This is height. This sigma, okay, is surface tension. Cos theta is angle, r radius or separation, density of liquid, g acceleration due to gravity. due to gravity. Okay, these all are the variables. Now we have to check the dimensional characters of this particular formula, taking left hand side. Left hand side is height only, h. So height is measured in the form of length. तो left hand side के लिए dimensional formula आ गया. Okay, now right hand side. Now right hand side. Right hand side is 2 sigma cos of theta divided by r square rho into g. Now for 2, nothing like dimension, okay, because this is a constant. Sigma is surface tension. How this is measured? Surface tension is measured as force per unit length. Force per unit length. So mLt minus 2 divided by L. L and L gone. This is mt minus 2. Okay. So mt minus 2. Now cos theta. Cos theta, if you see, is base over hypotenuse. Base will be measured in the form of length. Hypotenuse also in the form of length. Length over length. Dimensionless. This is equal to 1. Dimensionless. Now all angles are dimensionless basically. R is length. Radius. Okay. Radius is measured in the form of length. L square. Density. Density is mass per unit volume. Mass per unit volume. Mass is m, volume is L cube. So this is ml minus 3. Okay. Density ml minus 3. G, acceleration due to gravity. Acceleration Lt minus 2. So these quantities, all quantities are like this. This is Lt minus 2. Now cancelling mass and mass. T minus 2. This is L cube and L minus 3. Okay. This is 1. So right hand side is dimensionless. Right hand side is dimensionless. So what is happening now? Left hand side has dimension formula L. Right hand side is dimensionless. क्या हुआ? Dimensional formula, okay, for left hand side not equal to dimensional formula for right hand side. Okay, therefore formula is incorrect. Formula is incorrect. Very simple. Okay, ठीक है, try solving these problems. Thank you. Have a nice day.